ሙሉ ቀን ቆሞ ሲሰርበኝ ይውላል እንጂ መልስ አልሰጠም።
ይቅርታ ያርጉልኝና በቀደም ዕለት ከአንድ ሴትዮ ጋር መንገድ ላይ ሲሰዳደቡ ነበር።
እና ምን አባክ ይፈጠርልኝ? ፌንጣ፣ ሁከት፣ ፊሽካ፣ ቱሪናፋ፣ ፌንጣ፣ ሾጣጣ
How was your campus life?
Campus life is an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job?
Yes.
So what's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
Okay. How did you get to Addis Ababa University? It's your first time, yeah?
First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. The beginning is the extension. The 2 years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension.
Yeah.
The extension. Next, the regular 16 is the beginning. 21,000.
So it's
21.
So it's the first time to join Addis Ababa University?
Yes.
Oh. So how did you get to the campus?
At the beginning, 2021.
Yeah.
ወይም ደግሞ 20 2001 ማለት ነው። the beginning is 21. 2021 was the 21 is the beginning 1 year and next to the first one አንደኛ በመውጣት ሰከንዳሪ 16 ክላስ ከዚያ ቀጥሎ ዘኔከስ 6ኛ ክፍል ጀመርኩ። ኤክስትሪ በእንዘ 13 year graduation.
So how did you see the campus?
The campus is very nice. At the day to day exercise. In the church, in the classmates. In the day-to-day exercise.
Do you think that the Addis Ababa University has graduated money of ethics and like a lot of people of because there are a lot of people you can don't and they have a lot of weather and there's hot. So do you think that is right, people?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am corona is affected very more everything man body was.
Body what?
አጠቃላይ ሰውነት ክፍል
In English, please. No.
At the body.
What's that?
The any this is affected by in economics, in life, in political, in the whole affect. In the whole affect.
What's the meaning of GC? What is the meaning of GC?
GC?
Yeah.
Development country.
GC, what's what? Yeah.
Development country.
አስበህዋል? ለሽምግልና 4 በሬ፣ ለሰርግ 10 በሬ፣ ለመልስ 6 በሬ አርደ ከኑሩ በኋላ እንፋታ ብትል አይደለም እንድንፋታ እንድትሞት አልፈቅደላትም። እንድትሞት በሷ እንኳን በቃኝ ብትል ሌላ የቤተሰብ አካል ይቀጥላል። ሉጣ ብትል እንደው ሱቅ ገዝቼ ቃልምጣ ብትል ተያዥ የአንድ ቤተሰብ አካል ተያዥ አሲዛ ነው መሄድ ያለባት ልክ እንደ ኮካካ እንዴ
Boyka, Boyka.